Armstrong's latest advancements, the System Envelope Fluid Management Station, transforms complex hydronic systems into one smart, modular, and connected solution from design to operation. SE-FMS integrates with modern building automation systems, adapting as your building demands change. Our envelope platform gathers your performance data to support optimized system performance across changing load conditions. Integrated Designer configures your system around your flow and redundancy needs, while your unique performance map defines its most efficient operating zone. Factory engineered and performance tested, SE-FMS delivers reliable installs with minimal site work and flexible configurations. It also reduces your embodied carbon and system footprint by up to 50% and offers up to 30% in annual energy savings. Connected to Envelope Core Cloud, performance is continuously analyzed, supporting uptime, identifying issues early, and enabling long-term reliability. Startup and commissioning are simplified through Wrench, with guided setup and real-time validation to help verify system performance against design intent. SE-FMS brings together proven Armstrong components and digital intelligence to help you design smarter, install faster, and operate more efficiently, delivering unmatched reliability and lifecycle value you can depend on.